What's going on, everybody? It's Mike again from SHOT Show Tactical Sensations. I am here with Paul from Apex Tactical. We are going to talk about some of their products coming out to market, one of which that I'm excited about. You've seen my recent review on the FN509 Tactical, is their full slide that is coming out, which is going to be the slide. A couple of options there. One that I'm obviously interested in is the RMR. It's going to be windowed. It's got that great barrel on there with some fluting work on it. Paul, just kind of walk me through your process on this slide.
What this is, Mike, is going to be an entire upper slide assembly, complete. So sights, all the internals, our striker, our extractor, and it'll come with our barrel. And you can get a flush fit like this one or a threaded barrel. It's a 5-inch slide. It has suppressor sights and it'll be optics ready. So this one's cut for an RMR. We'll have another option. I forget which one that will be in particular. We're at the stage now where we have our last round of prototype in. We'll begin test firing on that in the next week or two. Everything goes well. Scott and Randy and the brain trust and engineering will green light production, and then it'll take some planning on that, because this isn't go on the machine today and next Friday you've got a slide shipping out to you. So it's a very complex operation. Plus we'll have to have the barrels done ready. So we'll probably set up an early pre-order situation for that.
Okay,
we haven't nailed down the price yet, but it will be what you would expect if you were to buy a slide, something from Apex. With a lot of testing, we don't cut corners in the way we do things, but it is slide, barrel, sights, internals. It's complete. It is get it, take your slide off your gun, throw this on, you're off to the races. No other work involved.
So what all models of FN does this fit right now?
It'll fit all of them, including the MRD. I don't know about the compact. I have to double check with Scott on that. But so if you want to throw us on the tactical, no problem. You want to throw it on the standard model, no problem. And it will work on the MRD because that's still a 4-inch.
That color is going to work for me because I bought the tactical gray 509 Tactical.
Yeah, so we're looking at probably doing it in the white and then a black melanite, depending on how sales go and demand. There's the outside possibility we do FDE, but you can't do a bunch of FDE and discover nobody wants it except for one guy down in Tempe, whatever.
So we're going to get into something else here that they've got coming out, which is really good, and that's for all of my compact carriers, people that need that smaller pistol out there. And I know all of you guys probably know Apex for the trigger systems they've come out with, both on Glock and on the M&P series stuff, and they've got this absolutely awesome little slide, which again is the Apex slide, and it's set up for what optic works best on it, which is the RMS-C. Nice little optic, great for my concealed carry people that run the minimalistic stuff down in their waistband. So again, this is a full Apex slide here that's going to come set up. Paul, walk me through this one.
Okay, this is going to be a 4-inch slide that's optics ready. It won't come with the shield sight that you'll have to supply yourself, but this is the perfect slim profile sight to go on this. Again, the barrel option will be flush fit or threaded. And for those of you with a regular shield, the original 1.0 shield, if you will, you'll be able to throw this on and go. Again, our extractor.
There's a lot of them out there right now.
All our internals, just put it on and go, and it will also work on the 2.0. Now, Smith, a couple months ago, early last year, came out with a 4-inch model of the shield. So obviously, if you have that, you don't need our slide. But that's a small universe of owners. There's a bazillion, and literally a bazillion owners of the Shield original, so this will be an option for them. This one will probably be ready to go before the 509 slide. I think their testing is near complete on that, and talking to Scott and Randy, they believe we'll probably end up releasing this one first. Don't have a final price yet because that's going to require machine time, cycle time, and stuff to figure out. But it's going to be what you would expect for a complete slide and something that is tested and designed by the guys.
OEM quality.
Oh yeah. Again,
I'll say maybe higher than OEM quality, and some things, and that's my opinion.
Yeah, in some cases that's the case, but you got to give credit to the major manufacturers. They know how to make slides in fast and in mass quantities. That's a legit skill. But on the safety side, it goes without saying, but we have to say it, we will maintain all the proper safety. So, like with everything else, I know we've spoken about this before, we do extensive drop testing. We do more drop testing than anybody else kind of in our sphere of the industry.
I got to see it.
Yeah. So this will be dropped a bazillion times. We do about 6 feet onto concrete. We'll do 27 orientations, and we'll do it under high-speed camera, and we'll then begin making slight changes. There's already been some significant drop testing done, but when everything is finalized, they'll do a final round of drop testing, and there we are. And then we'll sign off and start production. Again, this will be probably announced an early pre-order. That'll give us a plan so we don't underproduce or overproduce.
Yeah, that makes sense. So I know for me, and a lot of you guys out there, I've been getting a ton of questions about compact long slide stuff. And yes, Smith did come out with their own, but for everybody out there that has that shield already, 1.0, 2.0, this is your compact long slide option now. And it's got that Apex name, that Apex quality that I have spoken about this several times with each product from the M&P, the FN, and the Glock stuff out there. So Paul, I really appreciate the time, man.
Pleasure having
Great
you.
stuff.
Great
and we are definitely going to do some reviews on all these once they come to market. We'll talk to you guys again on the next product we have here at SHOT Show 2020.